Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your home. I am your computer teacher for class 2. Before starting lecture, I am giving you some instructions. Kindly follow these instructions. Be attentive and listen carefully. No disturbance during teaching. Listen carefully teaching with full attention. Don't involve in other activities during teaching. You have to sit along your required subject book and proper stationery box. Take a screenshot of each slide. This is your computer book for class 2, Oxford Keyboard 3rd edition. So today we are starting chapter number 2, that is parts of computer. Topics of the day are what is a computer, parts of computer, input and output devices, and at the end we will also solve some worksheets. So in previous class we have discussed what is a computer and what are the uses of computer. So I'm telling you again, computer is an electronic machine which is used to perform different kinds of tasks. So with the help of computer, we can listen music, watch movies, type, play games, draw pictures, and solve sums with the help of a computer. Computer is an electronic machine which is used to perform different kinds of tasks. With the help of computer, we can listen music, watch movies, type, play games, draw pictures, and solve sums. So as we know that human body made with many parts like eyebrow, eye, ear, nose, mouth, arm, hand, leg, foot, knee. So these all parts perform different functions. All the parts have different function. We use eyes for seeing, we use ear for hearing, we use hand for touching, we use leg for walking. So human body made with different body parts, and all the parts perform different function. Just like human body, computer also made with many parts which perform different function. So today our topic is parts of computer. In previous class, you have learned what are the main parts of a computer. So first we discuss what are the main parts of a computer. Computer has 4 main parts. So now can you tell me what are the main parts of a computer? In previous class, you have learned about what are the main parts of a computer. What are the main parts of a computer? What is this? This is a monitor. Second part is, what is this? This is a mouse. What is this? This is a CPU. This is keyboard. So these are the main parts of a computer. A computer has 4 main parts. What are the main parts of a computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. These are the main parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Now we will learn in detail about these parts of a computer one by one. This is picture of computer system. This is picture of computer system. So when we combine all the parts of a computer, it make a computer system. When we combine all of them, when we combine all the parts of a computer, it make a computer system. Now we will learn what is monitor. It looks like a TV screen. Monitor looks like a TV screen. A monitor is also called a visual display unit. Monitor is also called a visual display unit. It displays words and pictures. When you type with the help of keyboard, so it shows the results on the monitor. So monitor display words and picture. When you draw any picture, so you will see on the monitor. So monitor show the result We can also watch cartoon films on a monitor. So monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays words and picture, and we can also watch cartoon and films on a monitor. Next part is, which part is this? This is the CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Have you seen a black box? This black box is called a CPU box. This black box is called a CPU box. CPU is the brain of a computer. Just like our brain control all the parts of the body, so just like that, CPU also control all other parts of computer. So which part is this? This is the CPU. This black box is called a CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of computer because it controls all the parts of a computer, and all the parts of the computer are attached to a CPU. This is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. You can see there are many keys. These keys are called buttons. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. For example, when you write on a paper, you use pen or pencil. When you write on a paper, you use pen or pencil. Just like that, when you want to type or when you want to write on a computer, so what do we use? We use keyboard to write on a computer. You can see there are many buttons. So these buttons are called keys. A keyboard has many buttons called keys, and these keys are used for type numbers, letters, and other symbols. These keys are used to type numbers, letters, and other symbols. So we use keyboard for typing. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. You can see here there are many buttons. So a keyboard has many buttons. They are called keys. These keys are used for, you can see there are different types of keys. Alphabet keys, function keys, number keys. So these keys are used for type numbers, letters, and other symbols. So this is a picture of computer system. A computer has four main parts like monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, and when we combine all of them, it makes a computer system. When we combine all the parts of a computer, it makes a computer system. Fourth part is mouse, and we use mouse to point at different things. We use mouse to select any object. So mouse is an pointing device. Mouse is called an pointing device because mouse is used to point at things on the computer monitor. Mouse is also used to click and drag, move things on the computer monitor. It also helps us to draw picture. So mouse is a pointing device because we use mouse to point at things on the computer system. So computer have many devices. We have discussed about what are the main parts of a computer. Now we will know what are the other parts of a computer. What are the other parts of a computer? Computer has four main parts, but computer has also other some parts. Computer has also other some parts which is used to perform different functions. So printer is also attached to a computer. We use printer to take print out. A printer gets data from the computer system and print it on a sheet. This is called a printout. For example, when you want to write a letter for your friend. So first you type a letter with the help of keyboard. It shows the result on a monitor, and When you want to take copy on a paper, so you will take printouts with the help of printer. So this copy on paper is called print out. This copy on paper is called printout. So computer has many parts. The computer has 4 main parts, but computer has also other parts. So now we will know what are the multimedia devices. We use multimedia devices to record sound or listen music. So what are the multimedia devices? This is microphone. What is this? This is a microphone. What is this? These are speakers. What is this? This is a headphone. These all are multimedia devices, and we use multimedia devices for record sound or listen music. We use multimedia devices for record sound or listen music. These are multimedia devices like microphone, speakers, headphone. These all are multimedia devices. So multimedia devices are also attached to a computer, which are used to perform different functions. Now we will learn in detail about multimedia devices. So which device is this? This is a microphone. We use microphone to record our voice and different sound. This is a multimedia device, and we call it multimedia device because it is used for record our voice and different sounds. What is this? This is speaker. And what is the use of speaker? We use speaker to listen recorded sound as well as music. Speaker is also called a multimedia devices because speaker used listen to record sound as well as music. With the help of speaker, you can listen your favorite songs, music. So speakers are also called multimedia device. Next one is, what is this? This is a headphone. They are used to listen to recorded sound as well as music without disturbing others. This is a headphone. Headphone is also a multimedia device because we use headphone to listen recorded sound as well as music without disturbing others. So this is also called a multimedia device. Now we will know what are the computer devices. So we have discussed about main parts of computer, multimedia devices of a computer. So they can be divided into groups. Computer devices divided into two groups. Computer devices are divided into two groups: input device and output device. Computer devices are divided into groups: input devices and output devices. So now we will know what are input devices. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. When you want to enter information into the computer, so we use input devices. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone. These all are input devices. Because we use these devices to enter information into the computer. Keyboard is an input device because through the keyboard we can enter information into the computer. That's why keyboard is called a input device. Mouse is also called an input device. is called, or mouse is also called an input device because we use mouse to point at things on the monitor. So with the help of mouse, we also enter information into the computer desk. That's why mouse is also called a input device. Okay, next one is microphone. Microphone is also called an input device because with the help of microphone, we use microphone to listen or record sound. So we enter information into the computer through the microphone. That's why microphone is also called an input device. So what are the input devices? Input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphone. What are input devices? Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. The input devices are keyboard, mouse, and microphone. Now we will know what are the output devices. Output devices are used to give output. Output devices are used to give output. Output devices show the result. The output may be in the form of words, letters, images, or sound. So output devices show the result. The output may be in the form of words, letter, images, or sound. The output devices are, what is this? This is a monitor. What is this? This is a headphone. Headphone is headphone is an output device, and others are, what is this? These are speakers. Speaker is also an output device. What is this? This is a printer. Printer is also an output device. So what are the output devices? The output devices are monitor, headphone, printer, and speaker. These all are output devices because these devices give output in the form of word, letter, images, or sound. Monitor show the result on the monitor show the result. It display the result in the form of words and picture. So monitor is called an output device. Headphone is also called an output device because a output headphone gives output in the form of sound. So headphone is also called an output device. Printer is also given output in the form of image or text. So printer is also called an output device because it gives output on paper. Speakers. Speaker is also called an output device because speakers give output in the form of music, in the form of sound. So these all are output devices. Which devices give output? These devices are called output. Output may be in the form of words, letter, images, or sound. So what are the output devices? The output devices are monitor, headphone, printer, and speakers. So I hope you have learned about what are input device and what are output device. Now we will solve some worksheets. Now we will solve some worksheets. So you will give your answer on chat box and you can also raise your hand. I will share your answer. So give me your answer on chat box or you can also raise your hand. Here question is identify input and output devices. Now tell me, which device is this? This is input device or output device? Raise your hand or give me your answer on chat box. Yes, Abira, your answer is right. This is an output device. Abira, your answer is right. This is an output device. Monitor is an output device. Okay, raise your hand and give me your answer. Which device is this? Keyboard is input device or output device? Give me your answer and raise your hand. Keyboard is input device or output device? Manahil, unmute yourself and give me your answer. Keyboard is input device or output device? Okay, Rumesa, can you tell me which device is this? Which
It's an input device.
Good, very good, Rumesa. Your answer is right. Keyboard is an input device. Your answer is right, Rumesa. Keyboard is an input device. Okay, tell me, this is the printer. Which device is this? This is the printer. So it is input device or output device? Who will tell me answer? I am waiting for your answer. Raise your hand. Who will tell printer is input device or output device? Mahrush. Who will tell me answer? Manahil. Yes. Yes, Manahil. Yes, Manahil. Okay, Manahil, your answer is right. Printer is an output device. I'm showing also some devices and give me your answer on chat box. Give me your answer on chat box or you can also raise your hand. Mahanur, your answer is right. Mouse is an input device. Now tell me, this which device is this? These are speakers. Now tell me on chat box or raise your hand. Aisha Shreep, your answer is right. Speakers are output devices. I'm showing also some examples and give your answer quickly on chat box or raise your hand. Which device is this? This is a headphone. Now tell me quickly. Headphone is input device or output device? Aisha, your answer is right. Nabia, your answer is also right. Headphone is an output device. Okay, now tell me, name the main parts of a computer. Who will tell what are the main parts of a computer? I have told you about the main parts of a computer. Now tell me what are the main parts of a computer. Abira, your answer is right. The main parts of a computer are keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU. The main parts of a computer are keyboard, mouse, monitor, and CPU. Now tell me on chat box, which part of computer is used to point and select an object? Which part of computer is used to point and select an object? Which part of computer we use to select object? Tell me your answer on chat box. Yes, Anaya, your answer is right. This part is mouse. We use mouse for select an object. Which part of computer is known as the brain of computer? Tell me quickly which part of computer is known as the brain of computer. Give me your answers on chat box. Sumaya, your answer is right. CPU is called the brain of a computer. Sumaya, your answer is right. CPU is called the brain of computer. CPU means central processing unit, is known as the brain of computer. Now give me your answers on chat box. I am used to type numbers or letters. So which part is this? Which part we use for type numbers or letter? Yes, Rumesa, your answer is right. We use keyboard to write numbers or letter. I am used to take print out. Give me your answer. Which part we use to take print out? We use Printer. Next one is I am used to record sound. Which part we use for record sound? Yes, your answer is right. We use microphone to record sound. I control all other parts of a computer. I control all other parts of a computer. Which part control all other parts of computer? Yes, Inaya, your answer is right. CPU control all other parts of computer. I am a pointing device. Which device is called a pointing device? Inaya, your answer is right. Rumasa, your answer is also right. Mouse is a pointing device. Now I'm sharing home assignment. Read and learn tricky terms and do page number 20 in book. This is your copy work. This is your book work. Read and learn tricky terms, and you will also solve page number 20 in book. Now I'm going to finish this class. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.